Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I think it is time for a new trailer. For all the newbies who are showing up here to my channel, welcome. And for all you oldies who have been sticking around for a while and who are wondering just what's up with this new format you've been seeing lately. So for those who don't know, I am Gretchen Price, a CIA-trained professional pastry chef with over 20 years experience in the professional baking industry. For 10 years, I owned a bakery up in northern New Jersey, which was the same place I started Crumb Boss TV, which launched my career on YouTube.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
So what you will find here is all of my most fabulous bakery style recipes veganized. And I do have a blog at GretchensVeganBakery.com where you can go grab the printable recipes, all with written instructions, including step-by-step video tutorials. More recently, I shifted over to a more personal style of filming where you'll find me in my home kitchen, a lot of times in my pajamas, and sometimes in a fabulous dress, where I am just sharing with you more recipes and sometimes some failures too. So this soup kind of sucks. I wouldn't recommend that you make it. There's a little something for everyone here, so be sure to subscribe below, click that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. And of course, the oldest and greatest thing that ever happened to YouTube just happens to be the newest and greatest thing that is happening to YouTube right here, right now on the Crumb Boss and Steph The Producer reboot channel. You guys aren't going to want to miss this, so be sure to also go over to that channel if you want to catch up and walk down memory lane with the Crumb Boss and Steph The Producer.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
All right, everybody, stay tuned for more, and thanks for checking out my channel.